What is going up, traders? So I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. So today's video, we're going to be talking about what is day trading. So let's dive right into it here. So day trading is pretty much buying and selling a security within the trading hours. And this is anything from the stock market and foreign exchange market or forex trading. So those are really the two main fields that you can actually day trade in and that are a lot more popular. Cryptocurrency trading is starting to kind of emerge, but I would not advise anyone to start crypto, trading. I would want someone to start trading something that will always be around, such as the stock market or the forex or the foreign exchange market. So pretty much what day traders do is they find a stock with some type of catalyst, and the catalyst is anything such as news, earnings report, or something along those lines. So investors and traders will, be more likely to hop in the stock. It's very, very easy when you put it in terms, but day trading is something that should be taken seriously and not something where you should just kind of slack around and, buy and sell. That's why traders lose money. So, there's a study that says 90% of traders actually lose money. So that means 10% actually are only successful in it. And this is the main reasons why traders fail is because they are uneducated. They pretty much gamble their money and they have no risk or no, risk management. So, just by having the right, risk management, you could be right 33% of the time if you have a 3-to-1 risk to reward. You could be wrong 33% of the time, and still make money if you understand stocks and trading and everything like that. So, if you understand risk, it's very, very important. And that's probably the most important thing you can learn is risk management. Because every time you invest money, whether it's day trading or whether it's buying a stock for long term or whether it's putting money in the forex market or putting money in the cryptocurrency, that you have a chance to win or make profit, you have a chance to lose money. So it's pretty much how you manage those losses that really can make a difference between a successful trader and one who fails. So like I was kind of saying, a trader looks for those catalysts, those stocks with some type of volume, and those tend to be those ones with earnings, stuff like that, some type of news, whether it's good or bad. Traders are more likely to actually watch that stock here. So what a trader will do is they will try to buy a stock that will push up, and when they buy it, another term for this is buying long. So they're buying and they want it to go up, so buying long. And then if that, say you wanted to sell a stock, and this is where a lot of new traders don't realize it. So you can actually sell a stock without owning any shares. This is when you predict the stock will fall down, also known as shorting the stock. It's very, very easy. You pretty much short those stocks and then you buy them back at a lower price and you make that difference. It's not too complicated, and a lot of people think that it is very, very confusing. So, and another thing is there are really two types of traders. There are ones who trade at home, and then there's ones who trade with large corporations. So the ones who trade at home typically are the ones that really don't do so well. Just by judging, the recent, someone put out a recent report that says day traders who work at home don't make as much, and then the ones who work for a larger institution do. And this is very, very easy, because that's saying if you're a new trader and you want to start trading and you're not making as much money as someone who's working for a bank or some type of financial institution, that those people have access to probably a $5,000 trading desk, hundreds of dollars worth of software, so it makes sense why they would make more. But there is that possibility for people who work from home to actually do that if they actually build up their account, if they find that right software like Thinkorswim, that's on my screen here, or the Trade Ideas, which is a very fantastic stock screener. I would recommend it to anybody out there. So, these traders have, a lot more advantage. They have experience, which is a big thing. They just understand the market, and that makes sense if you think about it. Experience is everything. Patience is very important, and practice. Because the biggest thing I can recommend for anyone who wants to start trading is practice. You're going to want to open a paper trading account, whether it's with TD Ameritrade or whether it's MarketWatch. You're going to want to start getting your feet wet and putting fake money out there and seeing how well it's doing. And you're not going to really do that. You're not going to make money if you don't do that. Every trader always practices on a paper trading account. If you're learning a new strategy, you're gonna go into your paper trading account. If you want to try something new, you're gonna go into your paper trading account, because you want to find those good trades that you are 100% confident in when you actually use your real money. So you don't want to be very, oh my God, I don't want to put it in here because I'm not sure. You want to be, okay, I'm confident. Hotkeys, buy, profit, hotkeys, sell. I'm in the green for the day, calling it there. That's very, very common of what happens. But traders who are new will be like, oh, I think this is a good setup. Let's buy. And then if they're right, they will get too greedy. They don't understand the emotions. So typically, these successful traders have no emotion when they trade, meaning they look at a chart pattern, they buy, and if they go and it hits their profit, they're automatically out. They don't get greedy. They take their profit. Same going on the downside. If they think, okay, this has a good setup, or this, let's say, right here, they think this should be a good time to sell, meaning short the stock. But they click it and it starts going up, it hits their stop loss, meaning the highest they're willing to risk on the trade. It hits that stop, as some traders will call it, and boom, they're out, no worries. Yes, when you first start trading, you're going to be like, oh my God, I just lost $500. But if you have good risk to reward, you should be able to, risk your money again and be profitable, because 3 to 1, you risk $1 to make 3. So you could be wrong. You could be wrong 2 times and still make money. Is pretty much it in basic terms. Risk management is very important, like I was saying. But so there's many different types of traders. There's traders who trade large cap stocks, such as Apple. There's penny stock traders. I would not advise anybody to start penny stock trading stocks under $1 or $2, because it starts getting very, very risky, and the setups aren't as clean. And you guys will actually start to see that once you begin trading. So this is pretty much day trading summed up. Buy low, sell high. When you want to short, buy high, or sell high, buy low, I guess is the other term, I guess, for short selling. So it's very, very simple. If you guys have any questions, there's 2 things that you guys can do. First thing, drop a comment on this video. No worries at all. I will be glad to answer it. Second thing, if you guys want to be a part of our chat room here, we do have over 36 members. So obviously we are slowly creeping up, we're slowly creeping up, to that 100 mark, which is my goal. But, you always got to start somewhere. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can, more than welcome to ask. ask it in this group chat here under day trading. If you have any questions, any thing under swing trading, any stocks you want to look at, any long-term stocks, your watch list, or any YouTube video ideas. It's very, very simple. I don't make it too complicated. Either myself will answer it or one of my admins will actually answer it for you guys. So, that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe if you're new. Comment if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. And yes, I am going to be doing a $200 swing trade challenge to try to get it up to $1,000, and that will be all for you guys. You guys will be able to see my trades, see the process, and we can go from there. And I'll be doing a day trading challenge, but I just need a little more time, because I still got to open up or, put that money into that Sure Trader account. I just haven't had the time, really. I got to transfer it. But, yeah, so that's it, though. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment, anything. Really, remember to always stay happy, stay positive. And I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Peace out.